Breezy when you step out the door, 10 to 15 mile an hour wind now will become a 20 to 25 mile an hour wind this afternoon, all from the south, and that's keeping the heat machine going. Our high today, like yesterday, should be 95 degrees. Yesterday we hit that at 2:30 in the afternoon. Excessive heat advisory today has been extended tomorrow. It will expire at 8 p.m. tomorrow evening, and that's when we see a pattern change coming. Now right now you can see a solid band of clouds and rain arcing around us. Now, the rain to our north, especially in Wisconsin, parts of Minnesota, has been too much of a good thing. They have flooding occurring there. And the front associated with this is slowly going to come down to Kansas City late tomorrow night, early Tuesday morning, and then park over us. And that's why you'll see in the 9-day forecast those opportunities for rain. Now today, we're far from that front, but we have enough heat in the atmosphere that may just ignite one or two, literally one or two thunderstorms. I'll give it a 5% chance that you'll see any rain today. Mainly our weather pattern today will just be the heat and humidity that we've become accustomed to over the last few days. So today's chance of rain, 5%. Monday's chance, 20%. That's late at night too. 60% on Tuesday, which is a pretty good chance, and then 50% on Wednesday and Thursday. And you see that here in the 9-day forecast, where we have the chance of rain starts late Monday night. Rain is likely on Tuesday, scattered rain showers Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This next weekend, also a chance of rain. So the rain is great, the temperatures are great. However, if this was the week that you took off to go to the lakes, unfortunately, you are going to have to work around the good chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. And as we take a look at overnight low temperatures, they will come back down into the 60s as the dew point starts to come down just a little bit. But we are excited about temperatures returning to the middle 80s.